In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a signable contract form in Tally.so. Start by opening Tally.so and logging into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create Form. This opens a blank canvas where we'll assemble the contract. Give your form a clear professional title so recipients immediately know what they're viewing, something like Service Agreement or Terms and Conditions. Now we'll add the body of your contract. Type A / to open the block menu and choose Text. Paste your full contract content into this block. Take a moment to scan the formatting. Headings, line breaks, and numbered clauses help people read and understand what they're agreeing to. Next, add a confirmation statement. Type the / again, choose checkbox, and write a clear acknowledgement such as I have read and agree to the contract. Turn on the required option for this checkbox. Making it required prevents submissions from anyone who hasn't explicitly agreed. For signatures, open the block menu and select Signature. This adds a digital signature pad where users can sign with a mouse or touchscreen. Digital signatures help you capture clear intent and keep everything in one place. To identify signers, add name and email fields through the block menu as well. Mark both fields as required. Accurate names and emails make record keeping easier and ensure that confirmation messages go to the right person. Add a submit button at the bottom. You can rename the button to something like Sign and Submit to make the action extra clear. Keep the layout simple. Contract text first, then the agreement checkbox, signature, name, email, and the submit button. Before sharing, head to Settings and open Notifications. Enable email notifications so you receive a copy each time someone signs. This creates an automatic paper trail and saves you from manually checking for submissions. Click Preview to test the entire flow as if you were a signer. Try leaving required fields blank to confirm that validation works, sign the form, and verify the acknowledgement checkbox must be ticked before submission. If anything feels confusing or out of order, adjust the text or field labels for clarity. When everything looks good, click Publish. Tally will generate a shareable link. Send this link to your recipients or include it wherever you collect contract signatures. That's it, your digital contract form is live, easy to use, and ready to gather signed agreements.